Here is the overview of the protocol. We start by preparing the electrolytic solution mixing water, ethylene glycol, and tartaric acid. After that, the substrates, glass slides, need to be cleaned by sonication in alkaline detergent solution, acetone, and isopropanol, followed by RF plasma cleaning. The construction of the TFT is done by depositing an aluminum electrode onto the clean glass substrates, followed by anodization into aluminum oxide, sputtering of the zinc oxide active layer, and thermal evaporation of the drain source electrodes. The aluminum anodization process is carried out by submerging the aluminum-coated glass substrate in a gold-plated stainless steel sheet connected to a source measure unit. The process starts by applying a constant current in the system, with the voltage increasing linearly until the final voltage, which determines the oxide thickness. Therefore, the voltage is maintained constant until the current across the system drops to zero. The electrical characterization of the TFTs is performed by connecting a dual-channel source measuring unit to the gate, drain, and source electrodes. The transfer curve is obtained by varying the gate voltage at a constant drain source voltage and measuring the drain source current. The electrical mobility can be determined